Did you or did you not open my bag of carbon monoxide in the Krusty Krab?
I'm just saying hypothetically, how would we close it? Hey, can I take that urinal?
Okay, but you better not be one of those guys who looks normal from the side but is proportionally larger from other angles.
Onion delivery!
Where do you all keep coming from?
We have too much obsidian. Send that shit to Bikini Bottom now!
Patrick, shut the fuck up! Here we are in the native habitat of the sponge. They are completely docile unless they hear that there are trinkets about.
Trinkets? Everybody kill the squid! He has various novelty knickknacks!